Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at this amazing stock today as well, Tesla stock, guys. So let's do the price action analysis. Now, you might be questioning, why am I saying that Tesla is amazing right now? We have a red candle, Junior Trader, can't you see it? Well, guys, that's the whole thing about trading, that this red candle in itself is not a confirmation or an indication of any bearishness. What is showing me is a support level that bulls are still holding in this upward structure that we are in on Tesla on the swing side, the bullish pivot. And also not just that, even this, the way the red candle has come today, this is a confirmation of bulls are still holding a bullish pivot. And as we will go through in this video, I'll be providing you all those price action analysis as why I am still happy that it's a red candle, because this red candle has a hidden meaning to it. Wow, well, sure, there's a hidden meaning to it. No, well, I'll explain you the price action and that will make things more clear. All right, so guys, with that, please hit the like, subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. So before going further, let's go to my day trading bot and let's see what happened today. Right, we have a red candle, but we are still able to come out in the profit. So right now the sell position hasn't come yet because there is just 22 seconds or now 20 seconds remaining for the market to close. And well, for the first partial profit as well, like all three of them are going to come together. I think 10 seconds left. Let's just stay over here and see how that happens. We are right now $70. As for the 100 shares position, that's what I have set on my bot for myself. You can customize these settings for yourself if you like. So here we go. Close the position. I mean, it's just done by the bot. You can see, in the real time on the screen in the video here. And so yeah, still a net profitable day, not bad. I mean, I won't say that it's huge. Like yesterday was quite good, like 445, 100 shares position. And today, even on the falling day, we were able to get a good by the bot. I didn't do anything. Bot gave all these signals, and then also a profitable day. You can see the data on the left side here for the last 30 trades as well. Anyways, just wanted to show you this as well. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators and 2 bots, okay? Now, let's turn that off and let's go to the daily interval. And why, Junior Trader, you saying that, hey, this is still a great, good candle even though we have a red candle today? So let's start off with the structure real quick. What are we seeing is still, we yesterday held above 20 days moving average, the fine line at 178 that bull still held, thus keeping the pivot still strong in an uptrend on Tesla. Now, this is a great, good green demand candle, and today we are seeing a red candle. However, it is still keeping the structure bullish. We got bought back up at our one of the significant level of 182. Now, things will get more clear on the 4 hours and hourly interval as I'll take you over there, but this area that we got bought back up at 182 is the previous, this supply zone, and we got bought back up above that. That means this is where the previous resistance is acting as a really good support still. And the demand candle is still doing its thing the way we want it to do, right? Anything into this demand candle while keeping a bullish pivot is still giving us those buybacks on the pullback side. So today's green candle is just a pullback. I'll talk about what are the levels we need to go above tomorrow to continue this uptrend, and for that we'll have to jump to the lower time frame. But let's go to the 4 hours first, and that's where I want to show you a couple of things. Well, yeah, this level I already talked about just right now on daily interval, right? $182 area. This is where the previous supply zones were, and we stayed above that. And not just that, also on this lower time frame, we are forming another inverted head and shoulder over here, with the whole held off the support at 182 and 70 cents almost. Now, going to the hourly interval, you can see the buying happened today at the level of this previous 2 days ago, previous consolidation and a support, and it's happening today as well. Now, before coming back to the hourly interval, I want to show you the weekly interval as well. And we are above that, still the channel. This is a good start to the week, and this is also a inverted head and shoulder pattern in action. So there are a lot of, I just showed you a lot of confluence setting up for the bulls on the bullish side, right? But at the same time, I like to be prepared 20% for the other case, what if? Because there is nothing guaranteed in the stock market, we always have to be prepared. So I always like to have an air of caution around everything. Now, yes, there are a lot of things on the bullish side today. We are seeing a good buy as well. That's great. But one thing to note here, guys, tomorrow it's important that we get a green candle, because we don't want this to become a lower pivot. All right, lower higher pivot. Lower high. We need to stay above that, and it's important because, well, this may help if I just put this parallel channel here, and yeah, let me actually do this way. Yeah, so if I put this parallel channel here, oops, yeah, we need to get out of it. Not bad, we are almost about to get out of it, but we should get out of it. Otherwise, there might be some little bit more choppiness you might run into. So what do we have to see? Well, we need to get out and above of this level of 185 and 58 cents tomorrow. It's very important if we want to maintain this strength to the upside. Otherwise, this also becomes a level of rejection. If this fails, right, with the 20 hours moving average and overhead resistance, we might do a little bit of more dance tomorrow. And definitely, this is the level then you are watching again, 182 and 62 cents. We need to stay above it, because if we lose this, then yes, guys, we'll be seeing some much more deeper pullback, because then it's a trend continuation, right, in the intraday downside. So to make this, even though it's a good green candle, but we want to get out of this little bit of the downtrend structure that we are in at the moment. We need to get out of 185 and 58 cents and also above 186 and 89 cents to confirm this pullback as to continue to the uptrend from here. Otherwise, this is the area you are watching. If you are trading to looking to short intraday only, though, you can play that rejection of this level up here, 185 and 58 cents, and the trend line that we may be forming then with the rejection there. But yeah, so it's very important the following day after such a buy that we want to see a green candle at least take out the body of today's red candle. And so I would say we need to, if we can get above tomorrow and close the day above 186 and 86 cents, that's a good win on Tesla. And yes, that's just keeps it fully bullish. So you have the levels to watch, right? So the levels to watch are, let's go to the hourly interval again. Levels to watch are for the bulls, very important to get above 185 and 56 cents. All right, and closing above 186 and 84 cents tomorrow is very important for the bulls if they want to see the bullish strength. If you are a bear, you have to see if it rejects at this level of the trend line, and also that channel trend line that I just drew with parallel to the previous line, and also the level of 185 and 58 cents, the rejection with that. Or yeah, and underneath our 20 hours moving average, all this combo as a bear is what you want to see. And then this is the level 182 and 64 cents. This is the level for both bulls and the bears. For the bears, another leg down if we break that like a flush, and for the bulls, if we find a support here like a double bottom, then this would be the level to watch. And accordingly, if you're a bull or bear, regardless of with the price action, these are the areas you have to watch, and then you have to have a stop loss on the other side. Let's say you're a bull and you see or you think that, oh, there's a double bottom forming here, we are continuing higher, and if you take a position, you have to have a stop loss on the other side. And let's say if you are a bear and you think, and the price dips below, and you are like, oh, well, yeah, time to take short, then you have to have a stop loss above that, and then this could be tried to the downside. Again, have a stop loss regardless. When we are in a trend in a direction right now, overall structure is bullish, I would like to stay in that direction most of the time for the trades and with the stop loss on the other side. You can go and do whatever you want to do. As for overall structure, to me, still Tesla looks good. for the bulls favor and in the bulls direction overall the structure. Intraday cool-offs may come, as we talked about level by level and what things to watch for that, but also I talked about what things to watch for continuation on intraday to the bull side. And with that, overall structure on Tesla right now is full on bullish. All right. Yes. Structure loss to the downside is not even until if this overall like this 20 days moving average, that's a good support on this ongoing support. All right. So that's Tesla, guys. That's Tesla. Let's take a look at QQQ and SPY. Or well, I have done QQQ and SPY with morning videos already, guys. Check those out. Actually, I'll do more with Nvidia actually when I'll be talking about Nvidia later today. But just to show you real quick, QQQ is still bullish. If any cool off has to happen, it's still going to stay bullish. That pullback may come if it loses 483 and 61 cents tomorrow. And on SPY, yeah, we are still bullish on SPY, guys. Just continuing higher. SPY has a good structural support still at the level of 540.22 cents. And yeah, any even deeper pullback until 20 days moving average is still going to keep it bullish. So that's that. Yep, market is very strong. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.